Hello everyone, those of you who are thinking about building your dream home instead of just buying an existing home, I want to talk about some general construction loan requirements and what's available to you. The first thing you need to know is that at the moment, it's not as easy to find a construction lender as it was in the past because a lot has changed since the pandemic with the supply chain, material costs, and also anticipation of a drop in home values. All of these factors, are reasons why some lenders have opted to temporarily suspend their construction loan programs. That said, you can still get help, and it just depends on your personal situation, credit scores, down payments, and everything else as to what program is available to you. Now, if you want a conventional construction loan, there will be more lenders who offer that. The down payment will be a little bit higher than what you may find for the FHA construction loan. But there's a lot of work on your part as the buyer or the person who's wanting to build the house. Everyone's not going to do everything for you. There's a lot of research you need to do. You need to find a builder. You need to potentially get an architect, get plans. There's a lot of checking you need to do with the town to make sure that you're able to build the home that you want to build on the property that you've potentially selected. So there's a lot of prep work. It takes a while to build a house, not only from the point where you start breaking ground, but months and months of preliminary work leading up to that, okay? But one of the more popular construction loan programs is the FHA one-time close construction loan. And with that program, it's a one-time close, not a two-time close. A two-time close is where you you get the construction loan, you have a loan during the construction project, and then when the home is finished, you refinance or get a new mortgage as your permanent mortgage for when you're living in it. That's a two-time close. So the one-time close it's one loan that handles the purchase of your property or the lot and also the construction, and that's the same loan that you have at the same interest rate from that point forward as you're living in the home. If you already own the lot, that's okay. You can wrap it all into the new construction mortgage also. So one of the benefits of that one is just 3.5% down, flexible credit and income DTI guidelines. But with that said, know that lenders who are offering the construction loan, which are not many, are asking for higher credit scores for the construction loan. They want to feel comfortable that the person that they're working with, especially when only putting 3.5% down, is going to be able to make the payments, okay? So you're likely looking at scores in the 600s if you want that construction program, but definitely reach out to us regardless because those requirements may change based on the lender that we have in our network, and if you have lower scores, we may have someone who can do it for you. So again, one of the important things is all of your preliminary work. Know that the lenders who offer these programs are going to probably also have to approve your builder. So if you're interviewing builders and you think you know who you want to work with, do not sign any contracts with them. Do not give them any money, because if that builder is not approved by the lender, then you're going to find yourself in a difficult situation that you're going to try to get out of. So don't sign anything, don't agree to anything, and just work with continue to search for a builder and work with your lender, because the builder's going to have to fill out an application as well with the lender that you're using so that builder can get approved. So that's a little aspect of this process that most people don't talk about. Now, you're going to have the lender involved in this process the whole way. It's helpful if you hire someone, a consultant or someone to help you with the construction project, because somebody needs to manage the builder. And if you haven't managed a construction project before, you likely don't know what you're doing. You probably don't know what you're looking at. You don't know if the builder is cutting corners and doing everything to code. So you absolutely must hire someone to help manage a project if you've never done that before, okay? So if you'd like to learn more about any one of these construction programs, including two programs that are rarely offered, which is the VA Construction Loan Program for veterans and the USDA Construction Loan Program for homes that are being built in a rural area, those are both zero down programs and very hard to find a lender who offers them, again, because it's zero down. You have no money out of pocket and you could potentially just walk away from everything, and then the lender is stuck with a construction project to finish. That's why those are harder to find. But if you'd like to ask questions about those two or want to get pre-qualified, want to get quotes, just definitely visit us at the website down below in the first pinned comments and also the description. We're going to help you at fhalenders.com. We'll help you there, and we'll answer your questions. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.